everybody. Welcome back to another session of Mathematics Made Easy. Now our topic is heights and distances. The question is, from the top of a hill 200 meters high, the angles of depression of the top and the bottom of a pillar are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of a pillar and the distance from the hill. So the question, one hill is given. The height of a hill is equal to 200 meters, and beside of that hill at some distance one pillar is given. The angle of depression from the top of a hill to the top of a pillar is 30 degrees given, and again from the top of a hill to the bottom of a pillar is equal to 60 degrees. Then we need to find the height of a pillar and the distance from the hill to the pillar. Now let us draw the diagram. First take this is the hill AB. The height of this hill is equal to 200 meters is given, and at some distance one pillar is given. Assume this is a CD. From the top of a hill, the angle of depression from the top of a hill to the top of a pillar. So a person is standing here on the hill and he is observing that the top of a pillar with the angle of depression. So what is the meaning of angle of a depression? Nothing but the angle between line of sight and horizontal line. When the object is placed at lower level of the eye, the line drawn from eye of the observer to the object is called as a line of sight. So here BD is representing a line of sight, and this let us take this is a BE. BE is called as horizontal line, which is parallel to the ground. So the angle between a line of sight and a horizontal line is called as angle of depression. So this angle of depression is equal to 30 degrees is given, and at the same time from the point B, the observer observing that the bottom of a pillar with the angle of depression 60 degrees. So this angle is equal to 60 degrees. Then we need to find the height of a pillar and what is the distance from hill to the pillar. So this AC value we need to find, and CD value is also we are going to find. And let us take a point here. Assume it as F and join FD. Nothing but AC distance and FD distance both are same. For first finding this, here whenever this angle EBD is equal to 30 degrees, this measure angle BDF is also equal to 30 degrees. That angle is also equal to 30 degrees. Similarly, angle EBC, this angle is 60 degrees. Angle ACB measure is also equal to 60 degrees by using parallel lines concept. Alternate interior angles are equal. Now this is the total diagram here. By using this diagram and data, we are finding CD measure, of course AC measure also. First consider the triangle FDB. In triangle FDB, angle at D is given. So let us take tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 30 degrees is here. We know that tan theta is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So for 30 degrees, opposite side is BF by adjacent side is FD. So but we know that tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3 is equal to FB measure. Let us take this FB measure is equal to X. So that FB is X by and FD. Now cross multiplication, root 3x is equal to FD. Nothing but FD is equal to FD measure is equal to root 3x. Assume it as equation 1. So here let us write FD is equal to root 3x. This is equation number 1. Now coming to second triangle ACB. In triangle ACB, triangle ACB. Tan C is equal to opposite side is AB by adjacent side is AC. But tan C is nothing but angle at vertex C is 60 degrees is equal to AB is height of a hill which is equal to 200 given by AC. Then we know that tan 60 value is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 200 by AC. After cross multiplication, we get AC is equal to 200 by root 3. So root 3 AC equal to 200. AC is equal to 200 by root 3. So the distance between hill and pillar is equal to 200 by root 3 meters. Now we have to find the measure of CD. For finding the measure of CD, CD is nothing but AF measure and CD measure both are equal. And FD is equal to root 3x we got. Nothing but that it is also equal to FD measure is also equal to root 3x. FD is equal to root 3x. And AC measure is 200 by root 3. We know that FD and AC both are equal. From this we can understand AC is equal to FD. AC measure we got 200 by root 3 is equal to FD is root 3x. Then after cross multiplication 200 is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 200 by 3. So x value is equal to 200 by 3. But from this we can understand AF and CD both are equal. So AB can be written as AB is equal to AF plus FB. AF plus FB. So AB measure is height of the hill which is 200 equal to AF measure is nothing but CD which is height of a tower plus FB. FB measure is equal to X. We got X value is 200 by 3. Then bring 200 by 3 to LHS. It becomes CD is equal to 200 minus 200 by root 3. Sorry, 200 by 3. Then CD is equal to LCM is 3 here. It becomes 3 into 200 is 600 minus 200. So CD is equal to 400 by 3. Then the measure of CD is equal to cancel 3 table in 4 one time, 1 remainder, in 10 3 times, 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9 is 1 remainder, and beside of that 1 we have 0. So there in 10 again 3 times, 133 1 by 3 meters. So that measure of this tower is equal to, height of the tower is equal to CD equal to 133 1 by 3 meters. And at the same time, distance between hill and tower is equal to 200 by root 3. We can simplify this 200 by root 3 by multiplying numerator and denominator with root 3. Thank you.